How to change your display name on Roblox. So all you have to do is to go back here to your Roblox application. As you can see here, click on that and open your application. Now here you will be led to your home page, right, where you see different games there. Now to be able to, as you can see here, this is my display name or your display name. You will see your display name here. Now to be able to change that, what you're gonna do is on the bottom part you will see 5 different options there, right? Click on the 3 dots there. Now under 3 dots, you'll see more here where you can see marketplace, premium, profile, friends, so on and so forth. Now if you scroll just a little bit, up until you see settings, click on settings. And here you will see account info. Click on the account info there and just wait for it to load up until you see the account info and the display name here. So since we want to change that, beside that name, as you can see, this is my tutorial underscore purposes 12. That's my display name. So if you want to change that, you will see this icon here on the right side, the pen and pencil, the paper and pencil icon. Click on that and here you will be able to change your display name. Here, an important notice for this is your display name can only be changed once every 7 days. Now, if you're already satisfied with that or you want to change your name again, you have to wait for another 7 days to be able to change that again. Tap on save here. Just wait for it. And as you can see, the display name is now changed. So let's just go back to our homepage. As you can see here, it's already changed. And basically, that's it. That's how you change your display name on Roblox. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.